Welcome, today I'm with Bose SoundSport 3 and I will show you how you can make firmware update. So the first you have to open your Bose Connect application. Next, when the update will be available, you will be able to find it here or right here in the settings. As you can see, it will appear right here. And also when you tap what is new, you will get the exact version of the new firmware and the update itself. So the short description of each feature that they add to the new firmware. You have to tap here to update. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network or the mobile data. Basically, you have to get the internet connection. And we have to simply just wait. So we have to keep them from the case, so don't put them back, don't turn them off. And now just wait. Okay, and as you can see, after a few moments, the update is complete and this notification right now disappear. And also when you open the settings one more time, you'll get the checking for the new product firmware. So just wait a little bit and let's take a look what is going to happen. Okay, as you can see, the notification has changed for preparing the product update. I think that we can try to close and open one more time application. Let's take a look what is new. Okay, so as you can see, that's the same update that we make right now, but right now it looks like the application have to install it. Like, we download it for the phone, but probably they have to synchronize with our earbuds. So yeah, you have to basically just wait until this clock will fully be on the gray color, on this white gray. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.